What is up, everybody? In today's video, I decided that we need to take the E30 to our local Porsche dealership because it looks beautiful. Porsche of Austin is killing it, and I figured that I got $12 in my bank account, so let's go look at a couple $250,000 cars. All that in today's episode. My name is Ryan. This is Project Racecar. Let's get into it. Haven't been driving the E30. Come on, start. Oh no. Am I gonna have to jump it? Come on, Greta. Woo! That was close. Like I was saying, I haven't driven the E30 in a couple days. It drains the battery like crazy. That you guys are doing well. I am super excited. I did get the seat covers ordered for the E30, so we got some sick leather interior coming in. We're finally gonna get rid of these cloth seats and make it look so much nicer in here. So we got a ton of videos coming out on that. That's gonna be around the end of the month, maybe starting of next month. So we are gonna be ultra busy on the E30. Nitro cold brew for the win, just so you guys know. Amazing. It's highly worth the caffeine and the price for the cold brew. Hey, if this video could get 16.5 likes, I would appreciate you guys so much you don't even know. I hope I can just park my crappy BMW anywhere. I feel so out of place. There are so many beautiful cars here, and I'll show you guys. Hopefully they'll allow me to film and whatnot, but there are some beautiful cars here. Yikes, buddy, I think that you're burning some oil there. I don't think that that's good. Zoinks. What do you guys think is wrong there? Is that oil? Yikes. Well, this isn't a good recommendation of Porsche, but here's the building. You can see this whole upper half is just like full of cars, and then all down here, there's just millions of dollars worth of cars. But we got some beautiful ones out here. So we'll go check it out, see what they got, see if they have crazy, crazy cars in here. It actually hurts my eyes. No one's helped me out yet. Maybe it's the Crocs that's throwing people off. They don't know that I'm a famous YouTuber. This is the one that I wanted to see. The old school Porsches. And it's a manual. This thing's sick. A very small car. These cars are absolutely beautiful. I talked to a very nice gentleman, the name of Jared. He did ask me if I needed to find anything. Unfortunately, I can't afford anything in here. I think the about cheapest thing in here is about $70,000. So I'm just gonna look, and yeah, we're gonna take some video. It's old school. This red is just amazing. Okay, so I'm not the craziest fan of convertibles, but the blue on blue, that's actually pretty nice. Oof. Alright, this is the level that I wanted to be on. Here's all these beautiful cars. So everybody has been super nice here. Very, very cool team. I understand what the hype is with Porsche and why they are so much money. They're just such a timeless, beautiful look. Very well designed. You get a lot of what you're paying for. Also, you can almost see the E30 down there. It's not quite right there, but the interiors on these are absolutely, amazing. The old school Porsches are insanely valuable. Dang. I know nothing about Porsches, but I know the name of roof. And, you can't see the interior, but it is, those Recaros, the rims are beautiful. I don't want to even get close to this car. This is for sure a goal that I would like to work towards. I think that everybody would love to have a car this nice. The Caymans are always really, really sweet. Just very well done cars. Sheesh. Let's see. Let's see. Can you see it? Hey, there's the E30. She's parked crooked. Let me tell you, if I had $200,000 laying around, Porsche would for sure be on the list. Man, just all of these. Dang. That GT3. I still can't get over that color. This maroon is also very interesting. I'm a really big fan of the carbon fiber roofs. Just looks stunning. I think this bike is probably the only thing that I can actually afford in here. Man, but do I want this thing. Still have the EV models. With gas being so expensive, it might be a high time. Alright team, time to hop back in my $6,000 BMW. Back to reality, baby. I was very, very happy about Porsche dealership. They were awesome in there. Everybody was super nice, super friendly, as any dealership should be, but I've been into tons of places where they just like blow you off, don't even talk to you, and I had like 3 people come up to me, talk to me, ask me if they can help me find anything. Naturally, I shut them down because the cheapest thing in there was 80 grand, but it was a very, very cool experience. This building is beautiful, and if you guys are in the Austin area or in the market for a Porsche, come out, check this thing out. Awesome dealership, and if again I win the lottery or you guys smash the like button and get 16.5 likes on this video, then maybe I'll come back. We'll see. We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I try to answer every single comment, and until next time, my name is Ryan. This is Project Racecar. Have an amazing day. Peace.